In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a trade on Robinhood using the website interface. Whether you're interested in buying or selling stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrency, I'll walk you through the process step by step, making sure you feel confident and comfortable with each stage. Let's get started. First, begin by logging into your Robinhood account directly on their official website. You'll want to enter your username and password with care, as this keeps your account secure. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll arrive at your main dashboard. The next thing you'll need to do is locate the asset you'd like to trade. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Just type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock, ETF, or crypto you're interested in. As you begin typing, a list of matching assets will appear below the search bar. Select your desired asset from the list to continue. Once you click on the asset, you'll be taken to its detail page. Here, you can review important information like the current price, historical performance, and news. Take a moment to look over this page, especially if you're finalizing your decision to trade. You may notice an option called Robinhood Legend. If you're using the classic interface and want to try out Robinhood Legend, Robinhood's enhanced layout, simply click on this option. This will switch your interface, which can sometimes provide a smoother trading experience depending on your preferences. When you're ready to make your trade, look for the Trade button on the Assets page. Click on it and you'll be asked whether you want to buy or sell. Make your selection based on your trading goal. Now, enter the quantity you want to trade. If you're buying or selling stock or an ETF, you'll enter the number of shares. If you're trading crypto, you'll enter either the number of coins or the dollar amount you'd like to trade. Double check your entry to avoid any mistakes. Next up, you'll choose your order type. There are two primary options, market and limit. A market order executes your trade immediately at the best available price. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay to buy or the minimum price you'll accept to sell. Choose the option that matches your strategy. You'll also see an option to set the duration of your order. Typically, you can choose between day or good till cancelled, GTC. A day order will expire at the end of the trading day if it's not filled, while a GTC order remains active until it's executed or you cancel it. Finally, review all your order details carefully. Once you're sure everything is correct, click the Review button. You'll be shown a summary of your trade. Take one last look, and if everything looks right, click Submit. Your trade will then be placed and you'll receive a confirmation. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily buy or sell assets on Robinhood's website. Remember, take your time and review your trades before submitting them. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out more guides for tips on getting the most out of your trading experience. Thanks for watching and happy trading.